But let's say, for instance, we could build an automated system, and that automated system could do 10 times the amount of throughput as the current employees that you have. Now this automated system has given you the ability to throughput 10 times the amount, right? So let's take into consideration how much you are currently paying for the number of employees you have on staff. And let's say for the total of the 10 number of employees, you're paying roughly $500,000 a year. Now, let's say, for instance, the automated piece of equipment comes in at $4 million to build this piece of automated equipment. Now, if you just take the consideration of the number of employees you have currently, the automated system will pay off in, let's say, 8 years. And for 99.9% of manufacturers out there, or any investor out there, this is not gonna work out. It's way too long of an ROI time frame for anybody to want to take on that type of investment. But whenever you take the consideration of this machine can do 10 times the amount of throughput than your current existing number of employees can do, it has a huge advantage for ROI, and the ROI can be calculated much more quickly.